Sometimes you just need a speaker that can go anywhere or that you don't need to worry about. That's the premise behind JBL's popular Clip lineup. With the release of the new JBL Clip 5, the company's continued to improve and innovate this speaker. So what's new with this one, and is it an improvement over the previous generation? I was able to get hands-on with the new JBL Clip 5 for testing and review right here in my house. In this video, I'll show you what you're getting, check out the sound quality, see what's changed, and whether or not it might be a good portable Bluetooth speaker for you. I'd like to say thank you to JBL for sending me this speaker to try out here in my home. The company has provided it to me at no charge, but it did not ask for or receive permission to have any input into my review, so you can consider these thoughts on my own. For those who haven't heard of JBL's Clip family, the Clip 5 is a Bluetooth speaker with a padlock-style design, which JBL encourages people to use like a carabiner. JBL has refined the Clip design over the years and finally got it right, I think, with the Clip 4, as I found that version pretty secure. In addition to clipping, you can also hang the speaker on, say, a tree branch or a shower head because the rugged exterior holds up to the elements really well with IP67 waterproof and dustproof ratings. JBL crammed Clip 5 here with a ton of improvements, which isn't very common in the budget Bluetooth speaker category. I'm glad to report the company seemed to have addressed most of the potential downsides I found with the Clip 4, so let's go over the improvements to each and how they factor into the Clip 5. While I really love the versatility of that built-in clip, I found the older model to be a bit narrow. Thankfully, JBL Clip 5 has a taller clip arch expanding the opening just enough without making the speaker noticeably bigger. What helps is JBL bringing back the grooved channel that receives the folded carabiner, so it widens the opening. Now, this opening is not significantly bigger and doesn't allow it to now attach to something like a bigger doorknob or your rearview mirror, but the additional real estate does go a long way towards making it a bit more versatile, and where there's a will to hang it, there's a way. Bluetooth's newer Auracast technology, which is an audio sharing tech, has been in the oven for years, and JBL is one of the first companies to finally implement this new standard in its 2024 audio lineup, which does include the JBL Clip 5. This allows the speaker to transmit audio to multiple devices simultaneously, which addressed one of my complaints of the Clip 4, which was lacking multi-device connectivity. The catch is that the receiving device has to support Auracast specifically as well. Now, even if you don't have an Auracast supported device, JBL has harnessed this technology for its multi-speaker support, allowing you to pair the JBL Clip 5 with other Auracast JBL speakers, including another Clip 5 for a wider soundstage and proper stereo. JBL added a dedicated Auracast button right next to the Bluetooth pairing button, so you can initiate a multi-speaker pairing without launching the app or performing any fancy long presses or button sequence combinations. Just pair the JBL Clip 5 to your phone, then press the Auracast button, which is here on the side. Press the other speaker's Auracast button, and you should be all set. Now, since I only had one Clip 5 to try, I wasn't able to test this out for myself. JBL Clip 5 boasts some sound improvements, and I can confirm this little speaker has big power and volume and definitely punches above its weight. The sound quality is pretty solid overall for such a small speaker, and it checks a lot of boxes for a portable party speaker. The speaker may lean a bit towards the high end with a titch of raspiness and maybe thinner bass, but given the primary selling points of this speaker are its clip-on form factor, extreme lightweight, and high portability, some trade-offs in the overall audio quality I think can be forgiven. JBL Clip 5 also comes with a few extra features that I think will elevate the budget portable Bluetooth speaker category as a whole. Here's what else you can expect from this rugged little speaker. JBL refined the design of the Clip 5 to make it feel just a bit more rugged. On the back, the company added fewer but thicker silicone strips to help prevent it from sliding, plus a rubberized coating on the edges improves durability. And with this version, the company finally decided to add support for the official JBL Portable app, which adds a bit more convenience and power, like adjusting EQ settings, but only a bit since your only options are a handful of audio presets. The other nice addition with the app is a precise battery level indicator, so you'll always know how much juice you have. And speaking of charging and battery, while JBL didn't grant my wish for fast charging, the Clip 5 at least offers 12 hours of battery life, which is about 2 more than its predecessor. The app also offers an option called Playtime Boost, which will optimize the sound to use less battery without sacrificing loudness or clarity. Just prepare for a 3-hour charge time if you do fully drain the speaker's battery. Overall, JBL Clip 5 has to be one of the most improved budget products this year, which is ultimately a win for all customers, and JBL's competition may also feel the pressure to make better budget products too. As far as the Clip 5 goes, let's assess both the pros and the cons so you can decide if this one will be right for you. On the pro side, I love this design, and the improvements JBL has made to this speaker add quite a bit of value in my opinion. I think the slight improvement to the carabiner design with a slightly wider opening should help it attach to more places. With that said, it is still quite narrow and doesn't fit over things like doorknobs, but if you can't find a place to hang it, you can always lay it on its back on its secure rubberized base. The addition of app connectivity gives you a few extra options for fine-tuning your sound preferences, but the bigger news story is the app now lets you view precise battery life, which is a huge plus. All the controls on the speaker are easy to find and use or just feel for, and it's a really good sized speaker while still being highly portable, and 12 hours of battery life is solid. Plus, given its size, it sounds pretty good. When it comes to the cons, the sound quality may disappoint some users, but if you're looking for really high fidelity, you're probably not looking at this option anyway. In short, if you need a small, highly portable speaker you can take anywhere, I think the new JBL Clip 5 is a solid choice. It sells for about $99 Canadian or $49 US, and you can get it direct from JBL, electronics retailers, or from Amazon. And if you want to compare this option to other JBL speakers, I've reviewed plenty, or you can check out what the competition has on offer right now.